I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a tool review for general dollar tools. I've seen these done before, but the last one I looked at, the guy didn't even use tools. Okay, so I bought 5 tools. One was a level, but that's all they had. I got this saw. I don't know if it's a cross cut or a rip cut. It's just a saw. A tape measure. One of those flip out hex key Allen wrench things. And a bunch of sandpaper because frankly they were really low on junk tools today. So let's get started. Okay, we'll begin with the levels. It's the simplest. I know the bench is almost dead level. So we'll just put it on there, and the bubble is slightly off to one side. Not very much. Probably only about a 1/16 off. That's pretty good. Okay, we'll put a piece of wood up against here. It's pretty much square. And we'll try it again. Top bubble here is a little off. Probably about another 1/16 of an inch. Maybe up to an 1/8, but that's probably due because this is plastic. Now I'll just put my speed square on here, and we'll check the last bubble, which I hardly ever use. 45 degrees, it's almost dead on. So I guess if you're going to buy a level from a dollar store, they're not really a bad buy. Even if they don't work, you can take these bubbles off and use them something else anyway. Let's go on to the saw. Okay, this says 12-inch hand saw. Doesn't say cross cut or whatever on it. Ooh, it even comes with a little blade protector, but it came off the side here. Looks like it's just a regular cross cut saw. Teeth are somewhat offset. Well, so we'll see if we can quickly make a cut. Oh yeah, that's a pretty jagged edge. That was only about 3/8 of an inch thick. It's really wimpy. It's going to bind eventually and destroy the saw, but in a pinch, it would work to cut something. So I'd say it's worth $1. Okay, the sandpaper set, there's 36 pieces, got various amounts of waterproof, abrasive, and regular just wood sandpaper from 80 grit 400 on the waterproof, 80 grit 150 on the sanding, or the regular wood. So let's try a piece of the 80 grit. It does feel pretty weak. It's probably just going to fall right apart, but we'll try it on a piece of paper or a piece of wood. Hold it up here. Yeah, knocked the edge off that really good. Rounded it over really well. Didn't really come apart. I expected it to crease worse here. I guess if I put it in a sanding block, it wouldn't be so bad. So, 36 pieces for $1. It's probably worth it. Okay, this foldable hex key Allen wrench deal, we'll just assume it's a piece of junk like all the others. I don't actually have anything around here that uses any of the sizes that are in here. There are only 8 different sizes. It gives the metric and imperial equivalents of both measurements on the little thing, so I don't know if it's actually metric or imperial. But I've never cared for these. They've always broken, and you don't really get any leverage. And it's made out of plastic, so we'll say this is junk. But for $1, and if this is something you're going to hang on the wall in the basement, might as well just pick it up for fun. Okay, but the only tool on here I only really care about is a tape measure, because I'm going to throw it in one of my tool boxes. So we'll just check it against the standard tape that I know is good already. So we'll run it up about 4 feet. I already see it also has metric and standard on it. So we'll just line up the standard side. This one's only got imperial on it. I'll line it up at the 4 foot mark. And we'll check all the 1 foot mark cents. Okay. We might lose a 32nd of an inch over 4 feet. But that's not too bad asking for $1. So this will work in my regular toolbox. Or extra toolbox. Okay, we got 4 things. Sandpaper, tape measure, saw, and a level. Not the most highly accurate tools in the world, but all in all I'd say if you're going to buy something cheap from the dollar store, realize you only paid $1 for it. Thanks for watching.